Hi friends, this is Jay Jashwant and welcome to my JJ Study Express. Now, today we are going to learn linear equations in two variables. At starting, we have to learn what is a variable. First, what is a variable? You can see 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is an linear equation in one variable because there is only one x. You can see that these are the variables. This is a linear equation in one variable. Now you are going to see linear equations in two variables. This is linear equations in two variables. Now you can see many examples like this is another example. This is also two. In this chapter, we are going to learn linear equations in two variables and do the sums on that equation. Now we are going to learn that equation. See. In the first of all, exercise number 6.1, they will give you as equation. First one, 8x plus 5y minus 3 is equal to 0. They tell us to make this form into ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is in the form of, you can see that this is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. First, ax means x. In the a place, you can see that a is equal to 8 is there. In b place, y. b place, there is y. Therefore, b is equal to 5. Next, in c place, we have minus 3 and c is equal to minus 3. In this exercise, we are going to learn these like sums. These like sums in the exercise. And another 6.2, in the exercise 6.2, we are going to learn that they will give an equation like 8x plus 4y plus 4y is equal to 8. We have to do these sums like, you can see that we have to take if x is equal to 0, then you can see that 8 in x place we have to keep 0. 0 plus 4y is equal to 8. Next, 8 0 0 plus 4y is equal to 8. 4y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8 by 4. We can divide it for 2's. Therefore, you can see that y is equal to 2. In these like sums, in exercise number 6.2, we are doing like these like sums. These are the main important sums which are done in the 6.2 exercise. And next, we are going to learn that another sums can be given like, you can see, they will give an equation like b comma a and b comma o. They will give an equation such as 8x plus y minus y is equal to 34. You can see that we have to first equation means in x, it is in the form of x comma y. In first we have to take x place is o and y place is a. You can see that 80 plus in y place a is equal to 34. You can see that 0 plus a is equal to 34. We can see that A is equal to 34. We have to do this equation with B comma O. 8 in B plus is X plus B minus Y plus how much? 0 is equal to 34. You can take that 8B is equal to 34. Minus 0 means that like only now. B is equal to 34 by 8. You can divide it in the table. 2 fourths, 2 ones are 2 and 17 sevens. You can take it as B is equal to 17 by 4. And this like you are doing in the exercise number 6.2. These are the main sums. And another sum they will give to find like K. You can see that. They're gonna give you an equation like x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. And another one, they will give you an equation like 2x plus 3y is equal to k. We have to find this equation. With this, we are taking x plus in x, y 1 in 3 1. We are going to see 2 here, 2 into 2 plus 3 y plus 1 is equal to k. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3 is equal to k. 7 is equal to k. We can write it as k is equal to 7. So these are the main sums which are given very important and given in many exams. You can see that this is the required equation. They also can ask like find another equation for this one. We can take the 2x plus 3y and k. Here k means is equal to 7 now. Is equal to 7. We can take like if x is equal to 0 then 2 into 0 plus 3y is equal to 7. 0 plus 3y is equal to 7. Y is equal to 3 comes this side. It multiplication means this comes division now. That's why 7 by 3. And another one, if x is equal to 1, then x is equal to 1, then 2 into 1 plus 3y is equal to 7. 2 plus 3y is equal to 7. 3y is equal to 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 by 3. You can see that these are the required two equations. We can write it as x in place 0 and y place is 7 by 2. And here x place is 1 and y place is 5 by 3. And this like we are doing in the sums in the exercise number 6.2. And next we are going to learn the graphs. You can do graphs so easy like they will give you an equation like 2y is equal to minus x plus 1. You can change this equation like for your comfortability like y is equal to you can take that minus x plus 1 by 2. You can take this as equation. If you can have to take if x is equal to 0, then you can take any number in x place. Okay, in 0 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. We can't draw fractions in graphs, no. That's why it is wrong. We doesn't take 0 and take 1. Try with 1. 1 plus 1 minus 1. 0 by 2 is equal to 0. Yeah, we got 0. You can take that 0 and write an equation 1 comma 0. This is our required equation. We have to take minimum 3 to 5 to draw a graph. Next, this is the first one and second one you are going to do. X is equal to, we can take 3. 3. 3 means, okay, you can take that in x place minus 3 plus 1 by 2. you can see that minus 3 plus 1 means 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, no? This is cancelled and we got 0. You can see that 3 comma 0. And third one, you can see in this section, we can take x is equal to 5. We can take, shall we take minus 5? Yeah, we can take in negatives also. So, in minus 5, no, minus into minus 5 plus 1. Minus into minus plus. 5 plus 1, we got 6 by 2. 2 threes. And we got 3. This is our required equation, minus 5 by 3. We can draw and graph with this equation. First we have to write these equations in another 1 comma 0 and 3 comma 0 and 5 comma minus 3. You have to draw and graph with this equation. See. First, take a graph. Take a graph. This is a graph. This is our required graph. This is x-axis and this y-axis. In the exam, first the scale is the important. See, scale. 1 unit is equal to, on x-axis. 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. On y-axis, 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here, this is negative side. So there are all negatives, okay? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. And this, you can see 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. First, 1 comma 0. We have to start here. It is in the equation of x comma y. First, 1 means in this it is in the x-axis. 1 comma 0. It is on here only. And 3 comma 0. And minus 5 comma 3. You can see here. Minus 5 comma 3. It is in here. And draw and you can see here. It is up here come. And draw an line. This is how to draw. This is how to draw the graph. And shall do another graph for the particular. And you can see that there is an equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. If x is equal to 1, we can take that x is equal to 1. They given that x is equal to 1. 2 into 1 plus 3y is equal to 1. You can see 2 ones are 2 plus 3y is equal to 1. If 2 go that side, it will gonna be minus, okay? You can see 3y is equal to 1 minus 2 means is equal to minus 1, okay? Y is equal to minus 1 by 3. This is our required equation. Okay, this is how we can do the graphs in exercise number 6.3. And we are going to next exercise, which is so easy and learn. You can see that on it is a Cartesian plane. You can call it as Cartesian plane. Here, what we have learned, it is an y-axis and this is an x-axis. You can know that this is an x-axis and this is an y-axis. First, we have to learn scale. Learn scale. It is a main. You can see that it is very important in examinations. You can see that they give us an equation like You can see y plus 3 is equal to 0. So actually we can take equation 1. Then 2 into 1 minus 9 is equal to 0. Minus 9 is equal to 0. You can take that. What we get? 2 minus 9 is equal to 7. Minus 7 is equal to 0. Can take that minus this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 1, 2. This is how we can complete our linear equations in two variables. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.